Tiny house on wheels, $72,000. Location, Mint Hill, North Carolina. Details, condition, used, like new. Size, 24 foot x 8.5 feet. Fully custom built, very clean, move-in ready. Features, bedrooms. One main bedroom with full-size bed platform plus one loft bedroom. Living space, loft living room / office. Kitchen, full kitchen with electric stove, microwave, refrigerator with freezer. Laundry, all-in-one washer / dryer. Bathroom, full bathroom with toilet, sink, and shower. Climate control, split HVAC, ceiling fan, hot water heater. Extras, skirting and insulation available. Mobility, fully mobile and ready to be relocated. Currently near downtown Mint Hill, North Carolina. Contact DM for questions or to schedule a viewing. Heavy, 10 by 10 tiny house / she shed / cabin, $2,200. Location, Woodstock, Georgia. Details, condition, used good. Size, 10 by 10. Fully insulated and built to last. Features, versatile use. Ideal as a retreat, Airbnb, playhouse, she shed, garden shed, or craft shack. Interior and exterior, primed inside and out, ready for customization. Flooring, maintenance-free for long-term durability. Roof, all new shingles, never leaked. Electrical, pre-wired, just hook up power and start using. Important notes, difficult to transport, buyer must handle pickup and hauling. Located in Woodstock, Georgia. Serious inquiries only. If the listing is up, it's available. $14 by $40 cabin tiny home shell, $26,813. Location, Carterville, Illinois. Details, condition new. Size, 14 by 40 with a 6 by 40 covered porch. Features, white heavy checkmark, painted exterior. White heavy checkmark metal roof, burnished slate. White heavy checkmark high quality Advantech flooring. White heavy checkmark upgraded 9 light doors. White heavy checkmark 3 by 3 insulated windows. White heavy checkmark composite decking, maintenance free. White heavy checkmark 10-year warranty included. White heavy checkmark delivery and setup included. Financing available. Money bag owned for as low as $350 per month with approved credit. Round push pin located in Carterville, Illinois. Message for details or to schedule a viewing. Turnkey tiny home, $23,000. Location, Crestview, Florida. Details, condition new. Size, 10 by 20, compact yet functional. Features, white heavy checkmark ideal for a mother-in-law suite or single person. White heavy checkmark includes cooktop and washer / dryer. White heavy checkmark full bathroom with shower, vanity, and toilet. White heavy checkmark cabinet storage for convenience. Financing options. Money bag payments as low as $400 per month with approved credit. Money bag rent-to-own option available with 3 payments down and $850 month. Round push bin located in Crestview, Florida. Message for more details.
We have a nice little A-frame cabin here. It is a used cabin. Comes with a swing. It needs a little more cleaning done to it. has electric
12 by 28 cabin, $8,630. Location, Harrisburg, Illinois. Details, condition, used good. Size, 12 by 28. Includes porch swing, a well-built, portable cabin perfect for a retreat, guest house, or extra living space. Round push pin located in Harrisburg, Illinois. Message for more details. 2004 Breckenridge Park model, $55,000. Location, Port Clinton, Ohio. Details, condition, used good. Bedrooms, 2. Bathrooms, 1. Sleeps, 8 to 10. Located in Lake Erie RV Resort, formerly family camping. Features, white heavy checkmark full hookups, water, sewer, electric. White heavy checkmark seasonal RV park with amenities. White heavy checkmark swimming pool and activity building. White heavy checkmark includes shed. White heavy checkmark 2025 season fees, $3,600. Already paid and included in the price. Round push bin located in Port Clinton, Ohio. Call for a viewing appointment.
I did not know.
Oh, you're good.
Master Build Building, $15,500. Location, Clarkrange, Tennessee. Details, condition, used like new. Size, 14 by 60. Features, white heavy checkmark fully insulated. White heavy checkmark sheetrock interior. White heavy checkmark garage door. Sturdy and spacious, ideal for various uses. Round push bin located in Clarkrange, Tennessee. Message for more details.
That's what I was telling you about the bathroom right there. Good. This could be converted into a bathroom. Ready, nigga. All we need is floor. Nigga. Oh, in the ceiling. Stack it. Fix that. I wouldn't think. Hell no, this is one way.
Two beds, one bath house. Price, $20,000. Location, 3012 Cronemeyer Avenue, McKeesport, Pennsylvania, 15132. Property details. Type, single-family home. Bedrooms, 2. Bathrooms, 1. Unfurnished. Condition, sold as is, minor updates needed. Transportation and accessibility. Walk score, 22 out of 100. Car needed for most errands. Transit score, 35 out of 100. Some public transportation options. Bike score, 7 out of 100. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Nearby transit stops. Bowman Avenue plus Lime, Route 55, 360 feet. Hartman ST plus Camp ST, Route 56, 2,460 feet. Duquesne Boulevard plus Center, Routes 59, 61C, P7, 3,290 feet. Nearby schools. Green Valley Primary School, K3, 1 mile. Founders Hall School, 6 to 8, 2 out of 10 rating, 1 mile. Mesivta of Allegheny County, 9 to 12, 1 mile. Round push bin located in McKeesport, Pennsylvania. Message for more details. 16 by 60 portable building / tiny home shell, $24,490. Location, Portage, Michigan. Details, condition new, size 16 by 60. Custom order only, this unit is sold. Features, wide heavy checkmark includes all options shown in the listing. Wide heavy checkmark thermal 3 by 4 windows. Wide heavy checkmark multiple sizes and customization options available. Round pushpin delivery available. Check profile for more listings or message for details. Finished cabin, $25,814. Location, Carrier Mills, Illinois. Details, condition new, brand, Martin Building. Size, 12 by 24. Fully finished and move-in ready. Pricing and delivery. Wide heavy checkmark price, $25,814. Includes free delivery and setup. Wide heavy checkmark rent to own option, $1,047 per month. Round pushpin located near the fire station in Carrier Mills, Illinois. Message for details or to schedule a viewing.
Let's take a look at this new color of studio we got here. Still, we have the black with the black outside windows. We have the stain for the doors and the wall. Driftwood stain, that is. Come inside, you can see this one is a 12 by 32. Sorry for all the movement. It's got lots of windows. You can see the natural light already starting to come in from the sun. It's got a 100 amp breaker box. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 plug-in outlets. Everything is built on 16-inch centers. It's framed all the way to the top for easy insulation. Ready to go. Insulate, turn this into a tiny home, office, whatever space you're looking for. Give me a call, 606-682-9073.
12 by 32 Studio Cottage with electric, $13,816. Location, London, Kentucky. Details, condition new, size 12 by 32. Built by Amish craftsmen from Backyard and Beyond. Features, wide heavy checkmark electrical, 100 amp breaker box, 6 outlets. Wide heavy checkmark windows and doors, 36-inch 9 light insulated door, 2 3 by 5 insulated windows, 13 brown transom windows. Wide heavy checkmark lighting, 5-can lights under eaves, outdoor porch lights. Wide heavy checkmark extras, free setup, including first round of block. Pricing and delivery. Money bag price, $13,816 plus tax or $542.41 per month. Articulated lorry free delivery within 50 miles, $3 per mile after. Round pushpin location, 26 Carrera Drive, London, Kentucky, 40741. Telephone receiver, call Robbie for more information. Don't miss out. This studio cottage is ready for delivery. 12 by 24 ranch shed, $11,016. Location, Glasgow, Kentucky. Delivery available in Bucksville, Kentucky. Details, condition new, size 12 by 24. Style ranch. Siding, LP Smart White. Roof, ash gray metal. Trim color, white. Features, white heavy checkmark, large windows. White heavy checkmark 9 light entry door. White heavy checkmark 6-foot double doors. Pricing and financing. Money bag price, $11,016 or $461 per month. White heavy checkmark, low down payment. White heavy checkmark free delivery up to 50 miles. White heavy checkmark 10-year warranty. White heavy checkmark financing available. Round pushpin located in Bucksville, Kentucky. Don't miss this awesome deal. Message for more details. 1 bed, 1 bath, tiny house on wheels, $80,000. Location, Bellbrook, Ohio. Property details. Size, 200 square feet. Heating, gas. Appliances, washing machine/dryer combo, gas stove, microwave, refrigerator. Unfurnished. Features, space-saving storage and staircase. 2 lofts, one above the kitchen with skylight. Full bathroom with bathtub. Propane heat and tankless water heater. Ceiling fan and fireplace. 2 hard points for hanging chairs or decor. On a 30-foot trailer. Ideal for first apartment, travel enthusiasts, or an investment rental. Transportation and accessibility. Walk score, 8 out of 100. Car required for most errands. Bike score, 27 out of 100. Minimal cycling infrastructure. Nearby transit. COIO at Possum Run, Route 16, 2,089 feet. Nearby schools. Stephen Bell Elementary, K4, 0.6 miles. Bellbrook Middle School, 6 to 9, 1.4 miles. Bellbrook High School, 9 to 12, 1.4 miles. Round Pushpin located in Bellbrook, Ohio. Contact for more details or to schedule a viewing. Building, $16,000. Location, Inman, South Carolina. Details, condition, used like new. Features, fully insulated. Electricity installed. Air conditioning. Furniture included. Use options, could be used as a store or other business space. Round Pushpin located in Inman, South Carolina. Serious inquiries only. Contact for more details. 12 by 32 lofted barn cabin, $12,595. Location, Hamilton, Ohio. Details, condition new. Size, 12 by 32. Features, white heavy checkmark lofted design for additional space. White heavy checkmark rent to own option, no credit check. White heavy checkmark, $250 down and $530 per month. Round Pushpin public meetup available. Visit ljstonebuildings.com for more info. 10 by 18 lofted barn cabin, $5,933. Location, Anderson, Indiana, 4841 St. RD 32E, Anderson, Indiana, 46017. Details, condition new. Size, 10 by 18. Color, Pequia green with taupe trim. Roof, charcoal metal roof. Doors, double 6-foot barn doors on the back. Additional information, delivery truck free delivery within 50 miles. Round Pushpin located in Anderson, Indiana. Message for more details or to schedule a viewing. "40-foot workshop / flex space shipping container, $24,000. Location, Cincinnati, Ohio. Details, condition, new. Size, 40-foot high cube. Construction, 1, 5/8 galvanized steel construction. Welded aluminum supports for stud frames. Closed cell foam insulation. STA cool elastomeric roof coating. Electrical, 50 amp service. HVAC, 9K Mr. Cool mini split system. Doors / windows, 2 by 7 feet by 8 feet roll-up doors. 30-inch entry door. 2 by 48-inch by 48-inch double pane windows. Interior features, custom wood cabinets with soft closed drawers and cabinets. Butcher block countertops. LED under cabinet and overhead lighting. 6x LED overhead lights, 4-foot by 8-foot slat wall, 6x single plug outlets, 4x double plug outlets, premium interior and exterior paint, eggshell, additional features, option for exterior painting and customization, renderings available for potential finish space with porch and overhang. Note, freight is not included in the final price. Round push bin located in Cincinnati, Ohio. Contact for more details or to schedule a viewing.